In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a plan on Zoho Mail. So whether you're looking to downgrade your subscription, switch to a free plan, or completely stop your service, this guide will walk you through the process. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Zoho Mail and already log in with your account credentials. So here, in order to access the subscription settings on the left side or the left panel, you will see here the subscriptions. Kindly select on that or click on that, and then as you can see in here, I don't have yet a active plan here, so assumingly we have. So find the Zoho Mail plan you want to cancel or downgrade and click on manage next to your active plan. And then if you want to completely deactivate the plan, you can click the cancel subscription and follow the instructions. Your plan will remain active until the end of the billing cycle. And then if you want to downgrade to a free plan, you can click the change plan and select the free plan options if available, and then confirm the downgrade to avoid losing important emails. And that's it. That's how you deactivate the plan on Zoho Mail. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.